Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to add lines without BR code. So first you can create a new lines by using the paragraph code. You can type P and here you can set the first. Next we create again for the paragraph P code and second you can save and then open into browser. It will be create new lines without the BR. So this is for the paragraph. And the second, we can use the division. So you can type div first, and the next I will set again div code, and second you can save, refresh, create new paragraph here, new lines without BR. And the third, we can use the list. So you can type list in here with UL code. And then I will set like into list one first, and the next for the list two second. I can save and then open again in browser. So that's it for the three code how to add lines without BR code.